Hi everybody, it's Gu and you can see that there is a piano, so many ones and locally in the USJ7, I'm sorry, I'm just this Chinese word it's called USJ7 and here is the little girls and they play the pianos and yeah, perhaps you can buy original Yamaha, come from Japan one. I don't know what overseas price, perhaps we can see. Say use and let's go to the shop. Where is the name card? This one. Piano for enterprise and United Piano. Oh, this is called perhaps in Chinese word called 钢琴联盟 then United Piano. SDNs, BHDs and Mohammed. Mohammed is the name of the Arabic one, is that right? Okay, perhaps I can keep one here. Sometimes if I need the pianos and perhaps someone I want and I can introduce them to buy the piano skills. Yes, it's a great girl and girl. She's playing. Hi, little girl. She is not. She is a beginner, but I think that she is great. And Yamaha it's a brand come from the Japan. It's a Japanese one. Yeah. And in my opinion, and how can I say that? Because I practice the pianos, there are electronic ones and come from the Guangdong city, Dongguan city is in the Guangdong province, made of China. It's cheap ones. Perhaps how can I say that? 600 RMB is equal to the about 380 ringgit, about around this such a price. You can buy electronic pianos, and but this one come from Japan. You can see that there is brand. Perhaps it's a expensive one. I can just check that. Yeah. Hi. Hoi. Yeah, great one. Grand opening sales. Yes, it's new ones and open for the people and here in the perhaps the residents lived in the USJ7s. I mean, it's a metro station name. USJ7s. You can buy the pianos. Okay, I can have a try and if you see. Okay, everybody send. I think that it's okay and yeah, it's great one. Whatever, so you can want to just buy pianos. I think that it's a good choice. Hi, it's a hand duck. It's another brand. It's a kawaii. Hey, so many ones. Okay, see you, everybody.